Hey, what's up, guys? So, I have found the best hosting you can find, if you want to create a website. So, there's this website called Bluehost.com. So, you just type in Bluehost.com and then you get here. There it is right here, and then you just click here. This website, man, is the best you can find. I mean, it has everything you need. It has, you get your free domain that's gonna last you for a year, free SL certificate included, one click WordPress installed, 24/7 support. You're only going to pay the $3.95 per month. You know, it's the best one, man. You can't find one like this. And the best part about this, you can even make money with this website, man. There is an affiliate link you can put on your website. You know, you're just gonna come here on affiliates, and then you're just gonna click on affiliates right here, and then you will join, and then you're just gonna sign up on this affiliate link right here. And then the best part about that, you are going to get paid $65 for each qualified sign up, man. That cannot be better than anything like that. I'm telling you, it's $65 for just one person signing up for your affiliate link. This is the greatest, man. All you have to do, you just click sign up right here, and then you just gonna sign up, and then you put up your details right here, all your details. You just put up everything right here, and then you put your email address right here, and then you just gonna get your affiliate link. Then your affiliate link is gonna be sent on your email address, and then you just put up your payment option. That's gonna be a PayPal one. Just you're just going to fill it up here, and then you check this agreement to the affiliate terms and condition and private policy. I recommend that you read them, and then so that you can be familiar with everything, and that's the best one I could find at this moment. So with this, man, you would make a lot of money. You will make a killing of money. I promise you. So all you're gonna have to do, if you wanna start your website, now all you're gonna do, you're just gonna follow all the steps. There's WordPress, the hosting, your domain, and just everything. You just click here, get started, and then you just pay the 397 per month, and then you were going to get you will get the link on the description on this video, so you can just click on the link that you're gonna see, the first link on the description. You just click it, and then you it's gonna land you straight to Bluehost, and then you start your journey, man, and making your own money, because this is the best. This is the best, guys. If you wanna start making money online, this is the one you have to look into. So that's it for this video. I'll hope I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you. Thanks for watching.